Hi everyone, I'm Chen. Welcome to Flyingvoice. Traditional elevator phone service used to run on the copper lines. The existing wiring is running from the machine room through spiral cable into the elevator cab and linked to the reporting center. Voice call is initiated by the telephone handset or a hands-free push button. Once initiated, the call will go through the POTS line and connect to the 24-hour staff reporting center. The advantage of the POTS line has been twofold. Firstly, telephone service keeps running when the elevator cab power goes out. Secondly, 911 can easily identify where you are calling from. However, according to the FCC order, the POTS line cost is rising by telecom provider and getting harder to maintain the existing POTS line. It is not easier to keep the elevator emergency call running without interrupt. VoIP is becoming very popular in unified communication, particularly for the commercial usage. There are challenges when we try to use the VoIP in emergency phone systems. One is a battery backup with minimal standby and talking time during the power outage. Second one is location info published through a phone call. Fortunately, we could solve the first problem with Flyingvoice POTS Box. It contains the industrial LTE router for the internet access, power bank for the 24-hour battery backup, and the ATA gateway to provide a dial tone for the phone inside the elevator cab. Meanwhile, there is a service called the Enhanced 911, which is the part of the 911 systems that automatically ties a location to the call. VoIP service providers support the E911 and preset the physical address on their system. When the someone dial 911 with the VoIP phone or device, it will show up the address to the monitoring center as expected. Flyingvoice POTS Box offers features and benefits which are not available with a traditional POTS line, and reduce the monthly cost with VoIP solution. Now upgrade your elevator phone lines with Flyingvoice technology, choosing a reliable system and working with experienced manufacturer to ensure a smooth transition. If you want to know more details about POTS replacement, please check the flyingvoice.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.